Hello guys, this is another video now about graphing quadratic equations. We are going to use the formulas to find answers for the following question. For the equation y equal x squared minus 2x minus 3, calculate a x value of the line of symmetry. Okay, x value of the line of symmetry. This x value is given by minus b over 2a, right? If you remember. So let me write down here the equation for you to remind you. This minus b over 2a. So we can say that minus b in this such situation, b is here. It's minus 2, so minus 2, right? Over 2 times a. A is equal 1, as you can see here. Minus 2 and 1. So minus with minus 2 is 2, and 2 times 1 is 2. We can say that x is equal 1. So the answer for this one is 1. Okay, so the x value of the line of symmetry is 1. Alright, so I have prepared here in my browser. Okay, I have prepared this to show you. So as you can see here, the line of symmetry is exactly passing on x equal 1. Okay, let's keep going forward. Now the vertex coordinates. So for the vertex coordinates, we already have the x coordinate, because as you can see here, the vertex is always on the line of symmetry, so the x coordinate comes from the formula. Alright, and the y coordinate will be given by substituting this value on this equation, and that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna take this equation. Now it's going to be 1 because x is equal 1, right? And here is going to be 1 again. And the answer here is going to be 1 squared is 1 minus 2 times 1, which is 2, minus 3. And then we're gonna find here the answer of 1 minus 2. Here is minus 3, right? No, positive 1 with minus 2 is negative 1. Negative 1 with minus 3 is negative 4. Okay, negative 4. So is 1 and negative 4. Alright? The answers for vertex coordinates. It can also be written as 1 comma minus 4. Okay, 1 comma minus 4. Alright, letter C, the x coordinates for y equal 5. Okay, so you take this, Control C, you take this, and then you replace this x equal 5 here is here in the place of x. Okay, so let's manage this. It's going to be, we're gonna pass this 5 to the other side. Okay, so I'm gonna find here x squared minus 2x minus 8 now is equal 0. Okay, because when we passed the number 5 to the other side, it's gonna turn to negative 5 minus 3, negative 8. Now we have to do that game in which we say, okay, I think of two numbers, the multiplications of this number, the multiplication of these numbers is minus 8, the result. And when we add the numbers, we get minus 2. So one thing to solve this is to investigate the pairs here. Okay, the pairs in which the multiplication is gonna get -8. Let's see. 1 times 8 is 8, or 2 times 4. Yeah, that's it. That's the possibilities. So the sum, one is negative and another one is positive, because the multiplication, the result is negative. All right. So I can see from this -2 that the greatest value is negative. So it's going to be 2 and -4, okay? Because 2 times -4 is -8, and 2 minus 4 is -2. So 2 and -4. So these are the coordinates of x. These are the coordinates of x. Oh, sorry, it's not. Let's see. 2 and -4. This makes this equation like this. X plus 2, right? X plus 2 times x minus 4. This is the equation that we have to consider. That we have to consider. 2 and -4. So the results of x here are going to be x equal -2 or x equal +4, okay? X equal -2, this is because of these first brackets, okay? If you put -2 here, you're gonna find -2 with +2 is 0, so this will be 0. This must be equal 0, right? Or let's see here, x equal +4, because of this bracket here. Let me put it in blue. So we have these 2 points. So +4 and -2. -2 and +4. Okay, let's check it out here. When y is equal 5, x is -2 here, -2 and 4. Okay, -2 and 4. So that's it. Let's do the same now to find the x-intercepts. Actually, I'm going to copy the line because it's very similar. Okay, but instead of 5, it's equal 0 that we put here. All right, it's equal 0. So now I have to think of a number in which when they are multiplied, they're gonna have 3, and when they are subtracted, they're gonna have -2. As I can see, I'm gonna have a positive and a negative one, and the greatest value is going to be negative. So let's go for it. It's going to be 1 and 3, the only possibility. All right, 1 and 3. 1 times 3, it's -3, and +1 minus 3 is -2. Okay. So x is equal -1, because -1 with +1 is 0, or x is equal +3, okay, because +3 with -3 is 0, and then this is going to be true. So the lower x-intercept is going to be -1, and the higher one is going to be +3. All right? Fine. Does the shape of the parabola open upwards or downwards? Well, to answer this question, we have to look at A, okay? The quadratic term is positive, which means that the parabola opens upwards, okay? Upwards. So guys, that's it. I hope this video helped you to understand how to find such things. Please watch it again if you have questions, and practice more equations, okay? Practice how to find such values with different equations, different quadratic equations. See you next time. Bye.